Hi everybody. So a lot of people always ask me about the soap room and I never show it because I'm always usually working in it. So it's kind of messy, but I've been reorganizing. I got some new stock in and so I had to clean it up, and I haven't made soap in the last week, so it's gonna be messy again. So I figured I'd take advantage of how clean it is right now. So here we are. This is the soap room. So here is my cabinet full of stuff. Up there is my show things. Here's a bunch of supplies, the essential oils, fragrance oils, random supplies. My apron hangs here. Here is, this is my sanitizer for like lotion stuff that I have to clean. So it's not, doesn't have germs and stuff on it. Super important. Random supplies up there. I also shoot my photos down here. So like, here's some paper, and then I got a lamp right here to like push on it. A microwave, a soap thing, bunch of supplies. Here's a lotion, my box. This is the box that I bring to shows with the soap. Here's a dresser. Got supplies in it, lots of supplies. Packaging, more packaging, molds. Here are the oils. Lots and lots of oils down here. That's a box of more supplies. That's actually a box of soap scraps that eventually I'm going to do something with. The towels. I put the towels around the soap mold so I can insulate the soap. Here is my rack of soap that are in the middle of the packaging. You can see some disappearing. And then here, inside these boxes, I actually cure my soap inside of these cardboard boxes. You can see the soap is inside the boxes. I hang on with paper. Oh, what's in there? Scraps, soap, all in various stages of curing. That's the lavender soap. So this is how I organize my soap. So this is usually the newest soap over here, and then I rotate it out. I keep my notes in my soap notebook, that little black writer thing right there. And then I have a log of what I make, what day I make it, the batch log, some stuff that I take to shows. These are my show baskets. And let's see here. If anybody knows anybody who wants a computer stand, you can have that. Please take it. Over there, I also do, I make t-shirts and stuff, and that's my paint press. That's a different little section of the room. So, as you can see, this is the soap room. It's just a lot. But that's the tour. Oh, out there, Donna built me a sink. So I can make soap downstairs because I used to make it in the kitchen. It's full of dishes right now because I need to wash them. Don't look at my laundry room. There's lots of stuff in the laundry room.